Question number 19. The force extension graph for a wire is shown. Which row identifies the labels x, y, and z? See, before looking at this itself, we can say this region is the one which obeys Hooke's law. Okay, and this point is the point where there is a limit of proportionality, which means what? Which means that Hooke's law is obeyed until here, that is in a linear way, f proportional to x. You can use this equation only until this point. And then after this, okay, so what happens is this rule completely goes away. Or if you apply a force and you deform it, okay, and then when you remove the force, then definitely it may not come back to the same point. Okay, now let us read this. So even if I am able to identify the first two, it's fine. Now what is the first one? So what is this here? This is your x over here, which obeys Hooke's law. So x, where is x here? Limit of proportionality, no, limit of proportionality is z. Okay, we got a 1 point over here. Where is z here? Z is over here. See, z is here. So these two should be the correct. So these two should be incorrect. Then region of elastic deformation is Hooke's law. So this should be your x. This should be your x, which is this x is here. So now already this is gone and this is gone. This was supposed to be there. So definitely this is not linear. Okay, so region of elastic deformation happens only here. So therefore D is the right answer.